Every business has a phone number. The problem is, what if you can't answer? What if you didn't write down the person's name? What if you forgot exactly what they were calling about? That would be an awkward conversation to have with a potential customer the next time you speak with them. Who are you again? What were you looking for? This would leave a very bad first impression with your new lead, and they probably wouldn't feel very special. New leads get turned off by the slightest hint of your company ignoring them or not valuing them. In order to grow your business and to stand out from the competition, you must stop thinking like a business owner and start thinking like a customer. What do I mean by this? How would you feel if you finally saved up enough money to afford to buy a new swimming pool at your home, and you're looking for a pool builder to provide this service for you? You're going to go online and find a pool contractor with good reviews and probably give them a call. I'm going to do another video on Google reviews another time. But in your own head, you're thinking these guys are going to have the easiest sale ever because you're primed to start the process and get a quote. Except no one picks up the phone. To the business owner, this probably isn't a big deal, and it happens all the time. But to the customer, he's definitely going to feel unappreciated, and he's not going to leave a message. He's going to call your competitor, and you just lost out on a huge project by simply not picking up the phone. From my own personal experience, when I call these pool builders, probably 80% of the time, I get no answer. And they don't know if I'm calling to try to sell my services, which I am, or if I just bought a house and want to install a $200,000 pool. But you just lost me because you didn't answer the phone. How can you solve this problem? Well, the obvious answer is pick up the phone no matter what, or hire someone to do it. But I understand you're going to miss some calls occasionally, and there's no way around it. But I do have a way to alleviate this problem, and that is to use a high-level CRM phone number. Now, I use HighLevel as a white label service to sell to pool builders, and all of my clients get a phone number as a part of my service. Why? I need to get a phone number through the platform in order to send automated text follow-ups, which cannot be done with already existing numbers. But there are also some other cool things this number can do. Missed call text back and call recording. Let me show you what missed call text back is. If someone calls this new phone number and no one picks up, the caller or potential lead will instantly get a text saying, "Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help?" All right, I'm calling my GoHighLevel phone number right now. No one's going to pick up, and watch what happens. Beep. All right, I'm not leaving a message. So I just got a text message. It says, "Hi, this is Matrix Flow AI. Sorry we missed your call. How can I help?" That alone may save you a lost lead. Even though you didn't answer the phone, you still reach out to him, even though you didn't do anything. With the lead, you got a text message, and then I can start a text message conversation, which would all be recorded in the GoHighLevel platform. One more cool feature about this phone number is that you can enable call recording. So you can go back and listen to your conversations with your lead or whoever is calling. And you can also add notes to the contact as well. If you have a phone conversation with someone, you don't remember anything they said, you don't even remember their name. You just go back and listen to the recording, and then you could add notes to that contact. Next time when you talk to them, they'll feel special that you remembered all the details about your previous conversation, even if you talk to 100 people a day. So if you're a pool builder and you want to work with me to help you grow your business to the next level, I will leave my website in the description. If you're an agency owner and you are having trouble with the A2P phone number registration process, I will leave a link to my previous video where I show you how to get the phone numbers approved every single time. That's all for today. I'll talk to you soon.